This song is called Ain't Nothing Like Confession. This one I do have a demo for. Let's check that out. Ain't nothing like confession. My soul don't survive. Talking about confession. You and I. Yeah. So that just went on. It didn't have anything on it. Just had that hook. And I just had it. Ain't nothing like confession. But yeah, so just recorded that. Yeah, just recorded that, and then already had the little parts for do. Nothing like confession. Then looked up in the Catechism of the Catholic Church about confession and what it says about confession. Just wrote down some of the little one-liners, that just made sense to me. I couldn't do the whole thing. There's so much in there, and I couldn't just write it all down. So I think the phrase "ain't nothing like confession" kind of sums up a lot of it. But here, let's listen to the recording. I got some vocals, one electric guitar going through. I just went backwards. Let's do the electric guitar and do the little bass line that goes. Okay, that Catechism of the Catholic Church, number 1422 to 1500, part 2 of that chapter, celebration of the Christian mystery, about the 7 sacraments, sacraments of healing, sacrament of reconciliation. So the words came in from that chapter, from that first part of the chapter anyway. Just had that guitar, which is on the guitar. It is a D flat 6. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill this guitar. That's all that's doing, and then the bass doing it. Do boop 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 do B flat, walking up A flat, and then just an octave up, boop boop A flat, B flat, and then B flat, ba ba ba. Too much for the drums. Hat, little kick. Shaker. All right, so we have something going. Let's add the vocals. Let's break those down real fast. No, let's just play it. Ain't nothing like confession. Once was washed and sanctified. Baptism, talkin, reconciliation. When I failed in the struggle of Christian life. Exhortation to repentance. Give me the light to know my sin. Show to me sacrament of conversion and true sorrow for all of them. Lord, in need of purification. Hear those background vocals. Various practices of penance. Doing the 4 parts. Ain't nothing like confession, but there's the humility. Ain't nothing like confession. May God give you pardon and peace. Oh.
to the priest. Ain't nothing like confession.
Changes here. Take out that guitar. Bring in some synth. 80s polysynth. 80s polysynth to be exact. Get the vocals out. So it comes out of that. That bass stays the same. Added some bells, which is just that B flat minor 7 to like a diminished, which is the same as that guitar chord doing ding and the ging. Little bells. I like this. I like these two together. So those bells, they hit, they fade away, but that dee 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 is still there. Bow, 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 bow. Hand claps, foot stomp. That's how dry those hand claps are. I didn't add anything to them. No verb or no nothing. Shaker still. The whole way through. Just a little bit. Put it down a little bit when that. Nothing like a mirror.
My scarlet sins made white as snow. Check me out now. Ain't nothing like confession. If you don't know, now you know. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing like confession.
So I took out that MIDI drums, which was just a kick in the hat. And the shaker, live shaker, because can't get that. And then replaced it at the end with just that shaker still on there and just some hand claps. Well, that's what I did. What's that bell doing? Oh, I know what that bell is doing. It's just doing that B flat minor, like a combination of that B flat minor and the D7 or D flat 7, whatever the guitar was doing. Just a combination of all those. Let's listen to it again. Another short tune. Just always fun. Oh, and I need to be staying up to the mic. No, sometimes I'm always back here. Always end up back here. Yeah, let's check it out.
Ain't nothing like confession. Once was washed and sanctified. Baptism, talking reconciliation. When I failed in the struggle of Christian life. Exhortation to repentance. Give me the light to know my sin. Show to me sacrament of conversion and true sorrow for all of them. Lord, in need of purification. Always the church and myself. Every day, various practices of penance to regain full spiritual health. Listen to me, ain't nothing like confession. Practice of complete humility. Ain't nothing like confession. May God give you pardon and peace. Oh, to the priest. Ain't nothing like confession. My scarlet sins made white as snow. Check me out now. Ain't nothing like confession. If you don't know, now you know. Yes, sir. Ain't nothing like confession.
All right. I'm your brother Macario. This has been Sound Broke Down. Hippolytus Radio. I'll put a link in the description. And I'll put the words to this song also in the description and where you can find it in the catechism. Peace be with you and with your spirit.